Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into SMT Printing. SMT Printing is the first core process of surface mount technology and a key pre-link in PCBA manufacturing. This process uses customized high-precision stencils to evenly and accurately print solder paste onto the preset pads of PCBs, forming solder paste patterns that meet size and thickness requirements. With a printing accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, SMT Printing features high speed and automation, suitable for mass production of miniaturized and high-density PCBs. Its printing quality directly determines the component positioning accuracy of subsequent mounting and the soldering yield of reflow soldering, effectively avoiding issues such as cold solder joints, bridging, and insufficient solder paste printing. Today, the SMT printing process is deeply integrated into the production of our PCBA products for smartphones, automotive electronics, smart wearables, and other fields, serving as a fundamental link to ensure the high precision and high reliability of PCBA products.